Hello guys. Today in lesson number 5, we will talk about liquidity. Let's move to learn now. First example of liquidity. Equal highs and equal lows. Many retail trades see this like double top or double bottom. Whatever. Equal highs and equal lows are a nice level to place your take profit there. If you see this type of liquidity below or above your supply or demand, you should take trade for sure. Next type of liquidity is liquidity grab. This is how banks manipulate with people. Because every trader take trade on that zone. The banks will push price to break zone and they will take all the stop losses from people. After that they will continue to their way. Many traders will jump into trade like this. And they will be stopped out. That's why it's always better to manual execution your trade, instead of placing buy limit or sell limit. Liquidity grab and bearish example looks the same, just in opposite direction. Next type of liquidity is trend line liquidity. If you traded before, I'm sure you saw this at least one time. Traders expecting that price will bounce from trend line and they going to be stopped out. Also, many traders wait for a retest on trend line and they would be also stopped out because they don't know that trend line is just a liquidity. Liquidity. Bullish trend line example. Again, retail traders wait for trend line for buy, but we talked about supply and demand zone. If you have supply or demand zone above or below trend line liquidity, then you should wait for that zone and take trade there. Inducement. Inducement is created when price fail to test our zone. If price break the structure again, kindly wait for demand or supply which is not still tested. This is bearish inducement example. This was pretty short video. There is nothing more to say about liquidity in theory. Few more lessons and we will do back testing and combine all of those things we talked about. Back testing with me will be longer video of course, and there will be few back testing videos. I hope you understand that you should know theory before doing technical analysis. Keep watching every video until you understand all well. And don't trade on live account if you are beginner, you need a lot of practice. And I will help you. See you in the next video guys.